With a budget between 1.2 million and 1.3 million, can we still get a newly renovated freehold in a top-ranked school zone in Richmond Hill or Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'll continue to show freehold townhouses and semi-detached to a couple from Montreal. They plan to move to the Greater Toronto areas to settle, but at the same time want to make a purchase with good future investment opportunities. Before looking at these properties, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at this property. After we open the door, it's obvious that this house is rather big compared to other semi-detached properties. On the left, we have the staircase going upstairs. Here we already have a small resting area. We continue to the dining room. And we have the kitchen on the right side. The kitchen has been renovated. It has an island with a sink in the middle. It's big and has a lot of storage space. This area is the family room with a sofa and a gas-burning fireplace. I like this part because this area is completely open. It gives a feeling of openness and relaxation. Especially with the 9-foot ceiling and LED pot lights. It feels very modern and comfortable inside. This is the breakfast area facing the terrace. The terrace is not too big, but we can still put a garden table. Having a terrace on the first floor looking down to the backyard. This house probably have a walkout basement. Semi-detached properties have smaller lot in general. That's why we are rather close to the neighbors around us. Let's look again from this angle at this open concept area. We have to go back towards the entrance to go to the second floor. Let's start from the right side. This small area could be used as an office. There is a terrace facing the street. We can have a look at the neighborhood. This street is very quiet and calm. The second floor has also a 9-foot ceiling. It feels big and high. The first bedroom has an average size around 100 square foot, but the windows are so high that it allows a lot of natural light in the room. There is a closet behind the door. The next bedroom is facing the side of the property, so we have a little bit less natural light. Opposite to this bedroom is the common washroom. The size is good. The sink countertop is very generous. It would be ideal if there were 2 sinks. A bathtub with shower and the toilet is behind the wall. This is the third bedroom. It's facing the side of the property. It has a good size, around 150 square foot. This is the last room, the master bedroom. It's over 200 square foot. The room is very bright. We have a walk-in closet. And the bathroom is over there. The countertop is not renovated, but the size of the washroom is very big. There is a more traditional jacuzzi bathtub and a separated standing shower. Let's have another look of the master bedroom from this angle. In summary, this property is very nice. I believe that this house will receive a lot of good offers during the bidding day. The powder room is located between the first floor and the basement. It has a nice big window. The ceiling is especially high. It feels very big. The basement is finished. We have the laundry area here. 然后它可能隔了房间啊，下面有一个非常宽的这个可以休闲娱乐的一个娱乐区。And a big living area where we could hang a TV against the wall. There is an additional bedroom, which makes 5 bedrooms in total for this house. The ceiling is also high. And as expected, this is a walkout basement. The backyard is not big, but we are located in one of the best school zones in Markham. The basement has a washroom with a shower. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.